So we just had our COVID vaccine today, just like 20 minutes ago.
Vaccine from Pfizer.
And COVID-19.
BPN 162B2. That's the code vaccine. Ay, di mo alam yun.
Yan, nasa mo lang dyan sa papel eh.
Hindi, wala dyan.
Maliit lang siya. 0.3 ml lang. Tinignan ko yung syringe bago binigyan sa akin.
Hindi ko nga naramdaman ng
parang mas masakit pa yung flu shot compare sa
masakit pa ang flu shot to. Walang
sa COVID-19. So you guys, you should get your COVID-19. Inuuna lang kaming mga healthcare workers dito sa Canada, but lalo na pag it's free. So
it's free sa Canada. The whole world yet.
Hey guys, see you in a bit. Meron kaming McDonald's.
Oh, may gift card pa.
May gift card kaming $5.
Lahat na magpapabaksin may
So, kakain kami ng McDonald's.
May $5 na gift card. Hindi ka naman kabait ng Canada. Magpapabaksin ka na nga. Bibigyan ka pa ng gift card.
Ano ulitin mga?
Kako, napakabait ng Canada. Kasi magpapabaksin ka na nga. Libre na nga. Bibigyan ka pa ng $5 na gift card sa McDonald's.
Oh, saan ka pa? Only in Canada.
Pakita mo yung gift card natin.
Yan.
Meron din ako.
Tig-isa kami.
Saan mo nilagay yun?
Kasi through exit, ayun, tatanungin ka, tapos
Ito yung sa akin ba?
They will hand you your thing.
May gift card din ako. Kaya pa kami, $5 na yun.
So, saan yung receipt mo? Binigay ba sa akin?
Nilagay ko sa wallet ko.
Wala siyang tiwala sa akin, kaya nilagay niya sa wallet niya.
Tsaka pinicturean ko para siguro.
Yeah, so aside from that, binigyan kami ng ng COVID vaccine after care. So yeah. So far naman, pagkapasok namin doon, after na binigyan kami ng vaccine, we need to wait for 15 minutes for observation for any allergy reaction. So far naman, we're good.
Upon registration, mga 10 minutes ka, and then after registration, pag waiting ka na for vaccine, 30 minutes na lang inantay ko, and then plus 15 minutes ang tawag doon, yung recovery or any untoward sign and symptoms na lalabas after 15 minutes. Pag negative, ni isang symptoms wala, then pwede ka nang sumibat.
Vaccine na.
Paglabas mo, i-intervene ka pa ulit for another few minutes. Tapos bibigyan ka ng ticket na kung kailan ka ulit babalik sa yung second dose for efficacy. Kung hindi mo gagawin yon for second dose, which is useless yung vaccine mo. So dapat mayroon kang second dose for 95% efficacy ng vaccine na talagang maproprotektan ka, not 100%, pero it's only 95% efficacy. Tapos noon, bibigyan ka ng gift card ng McDonald's.
Ganyan ang asawa ko.
Parang batang bibigyan. Kumain ka sa McDonald's.
Kung bata may vaccine, after vaccine meron silang lollipop. Kami may McDonald's. Saan ka pa? Alright guys, so this is our first dose of our COVID-19 vaccine. So we will come back on January 25th for our second dose. Because it's 2 doses and it's 21 days interval.
Dalawang shots.
So galing kami McDonald's, binili na namin yung gift card namin. Kain na kami, maya-maya. Saya na siya dahil mayroon na siyang Mac wrap. Hindi na maintindihan ng babae. Can I have Mac wrap? What? Mac wrap. Hi guys, today is February 10. It's our second dose of vaccine for COVID. Supposedly it should be January 25, that's for our 21 days, but na-delay ang vaccine namin for second dose dito sa London, Ontario, and Canada. So we're on our way to Agriplex kung saan din kami nagpa-vaccine for our first dose. So lahat ng mga nagbabaksin doon o nagbibigay ng vaccine is mga nurses from LHSC. So
LHSC?
London Health Science Center. Okay, and see you in a bit. So ito na, kararating lang namin dito sa my Agriplex complex kasi we're gonna have our second dose of COVID vaccine.
Police po.
May police pa, may nag-guard pa dyan, baka may magsabotahe.
Supervisor pa na police.
I'm here waiting for over 15 minutes monitoring after my second dose of my COVID vaccine, and that's my husband. Tapos na, going home na. We're done. Second dose is done. So far it's been 16 minutes after my vaccine, so we're waiting for another day because we don't know if I have the side effects. So going home. Nauna siya, kaya ito sunod ako. So we're done, and this time sa first dose namin after the vaccine, meron kaming McDonald's gift card, $5 each sa lahat ng mga nagpapavaksin.
Ng first shot.
Now wala na kaming walang sponsor ngayon. So tayo shaky yung namin sakyan, malubak. So ngayon wala kaming McDonald's. Biniro ko nga yung lalaki doon, sabi ko no McDonald's today, wala daw sponsor.